Hi everyone. What are the steps to becoming a travel writer? How do you get started? Well, I think you should look at your own goals. What are your goals? What are your markets? You should start local and start small. Build up your clips, contacts, and confidence. Improve your writing and knowledge, of course. Stay open to opportunities. And never forget your goals. Enter contests. Enter writing contests. Yeah, I'm not joking about that. Rory McLean did that, and it led to great things. This is what Rory McLean explains. The best way to establish yourself when you're starting out is to win a prize. I'm not being flippant. There are dozens of travel writing competitions run by newspapers and magazines. Researching and writing a travel article forces you to focus. Winning a competition opens the door to agents and publishers. I won the independent newspaper's first travel writing competition. That enabled me to apply with an idea for a book on Eastern Europe. Then Gorbachev was kind enough to knock down the Berlin Wall, making the subject matter of my book highly topical. End quote. Also, do you want to be a vlogger? Or do you want to write for magazines? Do you want to write for travel guides? What exactly do you want to do? There seems to be a lot of hope for vloggers. A lot of people are doing a lot on YouTube and elsewhere. So think about what you want to do and how you're going to go about it. And keep watching. Thank you.